Today I'm gonna teach you how to animate on Ibis Paint X. First, scroll down until you see the animation feature. Note that you have to buy the full version to get every feature. I usually animate onto 4Fs, but you can choose any FPS under 30. I'm gonna animate a turnaround of this character. I use this brush tool. And now we can draw or animate. To add a frame, click the plus button on the timeline. For the ruler tools, click the ruler button on the top right. To use the lasso tool, click the brush icon and click the lasso tool. Now I am gonna add the facial features and the hair. If you want to use references, click the switch icon above. Now I'm gonna draw the breakdown. I'm gonna draw the in-betweens. To change the frame duration, click the frame you want to change the duration of. Enter text. Now for the most annoying feature of Ibis Paint. The layers. You see, if you want to add a layer, you have to add one in every individual layer. So you have to be very patient. Done. Add a color layer below the line art layer. Same as the lasso tool, click the brush icon to get the bucket tool. For shadows, I add a layer above the color layer and set it to linear burn. Then, I use a saturated color for the shadows. Turn off the color layer to be able to see the shadows lines. Use the bucket tool to fill in the lines. Turn the color layers back on. And we are done. To save the animation, click the arrow on the right and declick Save Animation. You can choose what you want to save it as. Looks great. Ibis Paint is really good for beginners, so I highly recommend it. Hope you enjoy the video. PLS, like and subscribe and check my other videos. Thanks.